Hello and welcome to another entry for Show Ya Stuff, the official product unboxing and review by MultiJames95. If you're new to this video, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell to get more updates on videos and content like this on my channel. And please don't forget to leave this video a like. So we have another package here, which is from Hong Kong. Got this off from eBay, of course. So let's cut it open here. What's this? Let's take out the bubble wrap, shall we? Hey, look at this. This one is the Royal Flight of Oman Boeing 747-8, and it's a scale 1/200 by Hogan wings, of course. And of course includes a landing gear too. Now you can see right here how its manufacturer details, item number, and here is our illustration of the plane. Let's open it. Here's our plane. First we take out the wings. Gear. Stand, tail fin. Of course it has the Omani flag, and there's stabilizers on the horizontal side. And guess what? The main fuselage. Now what we're going to do is that we first start with the stand. By the way, it comes with this if you don't want to use the landing gear. We'll just save that out for a while. And of course we put the stand right over here. Make sure it fits properly underneath. There. Fits right just like a glove. And we just fasten in our wings. Let's be careful because the engines might break off. We put it right on its stabilizers. And we have to open this, by the way, because this is the landing gear. We'll be using this. Let's be careful not to destroy this package. All the gears are out. And of course, let's just put this tail over here. Yep. Yes. And we put it on the stand. Before that, let us also be careful when we put the tail like this. We're going to put the landing gear, of course. Hey, it fits like a glove. Ma'am? This one here belongs, yep, it belongs like this. This one goes to over here. That's right, we just put the gear in here. Just remove the stand here. Now you see all the gears are put in place. And yes. Okay, and then this one is for this landing gear. Okay, looks like it's all in place, and our oops. Yep. It's built in place, and we put our stand, and our plane is all set for a good display. Now let's take a look. Now here we have a good view of our plane from the port side area, which is the left side, and you can see it in full detail that it looks like the real thing, true to life. And there you will see the Arabic word, and that's the coat of arms of the Sultan of Oman. He usually deplanes and boards through this door. There it is. And the engines also have the same coat of arms. Going to the back, we have its registration A40HMS, and there's the Omani flag. Let's take a look at the back side, or I mean to say the starboard area. Now let's take a look at the front. Almost looks real, right? There. The starboard side, or the right side, here you can see that's the landing gear door in red, and the Arabic word, same thing, coat of arms in the engine. And they also have the cargo doors there, just like the real thing. There's the registration, the flag, almost everything. And this is one great representation of Oman, the country I was born and raised in, and something worth proud to be calling as my second home. Oman, one great country that I greatly miss. And this is exactly the same plane that was used by Oman's long-standing ruler, the late Sultan Qaboos bin Said, and currently his cousin Haytham bin Tariq Al Said. And by the way, before I forget, you see this hump down there, this one? That's the communications of the aircraft. And of course, that is where they have this communications, telecommunications, everything is over here. Almost like Air Force One, of course. Really good model to add to the collection. Something worth adding and worth the money. That is the Royal Flight of Oman scale model. Now I've taken this plane off its stand to show you that this, which is made by Hogan wings, can move its gear. So let's just give it a try. So that's true. Now I'll give you a closer look, and let's give it a go. There it is. It's something worth it. And of course, this plane is a very good representation of Oman, especially with that flag and the cheat line. And of course, by the way, if you were to land at the original runway of Muscat International Airport from the area of Al Sahwa Park, the first thing that you will see when you touch down on the runway, or when your plane's tires hit the ground, is actually the hangar of the Royal Flight of Oman. And parked in that hangar is either the 747-400 or the 747-8, which is this one, of the Sultan. And of course, Muscat International Airport is one of the bases of the Royal Flight of Oman. Somewhat, you'll see, it's indicated when the hangar doors are opened that the plane is mostly parked like this. And when you speed down the runway as you land, you might see this one actually parked in this direction. And of course, you knew that you're seeing a symbol of Oman's leader for the first time. One thing is for sure, that you know this aircraft is worth the money and worth adding to the collection, especially when you are born and raised in Oman. This is sometimes what you see departing from Muscat International Airport. And of course, it is one thing that makes you proud to call Oman as your second home country and a place worth coming back to. And that ends, of course, our review of this product. And I hope you enjoy it. I look forward to our next product review. Stay tuned for more.
All right, bud, welcome to the collection. On the shelf you go. I'm in severe credit card debt.
Hello there, it's MultiJames95. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it and learned something today. And please subscribe to my channel to get more updates on content like this. If you want to support me or help me earn more, please donate to my PayPal, Gcash, or even my Buy Me a Coffee and Patreon. The links are there in the description. And please do watch our next video. I hope you will like it. Thank you once again and see you next time. Bye.